We have to assemble covered truck. You're doing really great. Filling covered truck. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's finish the bridge and place the railing. Let's wash covered truck. We did it! We have to assemble pickup truck. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Pickup truck. Press the pump. Done. Let's polish and saturate the boards. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing! We did it! We have to assemble drop side truck. Done! Now we need to fill it. Drop side. Press the pump. Don't stop. Let's make a road to the bridge. The bridge is ready. Now getting to the other side is easy.